Good evening, students. Now let us discuss about case study in telehealth adoption by Veteran Health Administration Services. Okay. So what are the problems that VHA company faces in implementing telehealth technology? What is telehealth? Telehealth is actually the using of electronic information and telecommunication technologies to support long distance clinical healthcare, patient and professional health related education, public health and health administration. Also, we can say telehealth as telehealth nursing, telenursing. Telehealth is nothing but it is a component of telemedicine. Telehealth is generally we prefer in remote places where specialized doctors are not available at all the times. Okay, so in such cases telehealth will be very useful for those areas, for remote areas. So telehealth performs both providing health services, health administration and so on. Okay. Next, we'll see what are the problems that VHA is facing in implementing telehealth. So, normally in implementing telehealth, the major problem is nursing education. That is, the nurses who are involved in implementing this telehealth should be educated properly about telehealth. They should be aware of all the technical, how to implement the telehealth service to the patient, because the nurses are the ones who are available nearby the patient during this and at the time of implementing telehealth. So next problem is while implementing telehealth, it not only requires one particular technical aspect, it involves a multidisciplinary team-based approach. That is not only communication related technicians are involved, it also includes electrical person and also network related experts must be available at that time. So it is a multidisciplinary team based approach. And then another thing is, while implementing telehealth, the patient participation should not be less. So what are the barriers, what are the hindrances for what are the hindrances to reduce the patient participation? So that we'll discuss in detail. And last one is the telehealth data will should be it will empower all the stakeholders, like the patients, stakeholders in the sense the patients as well as doctors, clinic nurses, doctors, so on. Next, what is nursing education? This nursing education is nothing but the nurses must be aware of the telehealth technology. This technology uses remote monitoring, video conferencing and much more to extend the reach of nurses and improve care. Telehealth nurses may practice in community clinics, schools, prisons and so on. In many places the nurses will be practicing. Telehealth nurses may act as telepresenters, communicating with physicians or other providers through video conferencing from a patient's bedside. So they are the people actually nearby the patient. So they must be aware of telehealth technology in detail. Without any doubts and without any confusion, they must be aware of telehealth technology. A home care telehealth nurse has the ability to see many more patients through virtual visits. Using a wide range of digital and distance technologies, telehealth nurses enable patients in remote locations to connect with specialized care and resources typically available only near major academic medical centers. So nursing education is one major problem in implementing telehealth technology. That is, the nurses should be aware of all techniques. Next we will see The program development involves multidisciplinary team-based approach. So in implementing this telehealth technology in a particular remote area, it requires multidisciplinary team-based approach. That is, the experts from various disciplines like in communication, networking are required. Telehealth requires the integration of technical person, clinical person and business process into a standard program. Telehealth programs tend to specialize in providing the technology expertise, wraparound support and training and equipment installation, while home care and other care partners provide the clinical expertise for successfully designing and implementing the technology for use in care. So the equipment installation and all such experts are required in this. So if any one particular discipline, if the particular person is not aware of the telehealth techniques, this will become a total failure in that particular area. So it is a multidisciplinary approach. Normally, while implementing this telehealth technology in a particular area, even though multidisciplinary approach is used, but still it is a risk for to increase the number of patients who adopt this telehealth technology. So what are the barriers mainly for a patient participation to be low? That is, normally the number of patients who take this telehealth technology should be increased. So what are the reason why the people find difficult to take this telehealth services? Because of price, cost wise. So for this problem only, the VHA has recently it has waived its co-payment for patients receiving its health services. To minimize any potential barriers, to maximize enrollment, patient participation should be at no or little financial cost, and enrollment should be automatic for all eligible patients. So the patient participation can be increased by reducing the financial cost for taking up this telehealth technology. Next, the telehealth data can empower all stakeholders. That is, the telehealth data can have a positive impact on patient care when placed in the hands of motivated clinicians and patients. The real-time transmission of monitoring data, for example, allows nurses to provide patients with just-in-time care and education. So the use of personal health data can help educate and motivate patients to make necessary lifestyle changes and realize better clinical outcomes. So these are the major problems in implementing a telehealth service. These are the major problems defined by VHA. Thank you.